Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll give the meaning of another word, which the word is chivalrous. 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 The meaning of the word chivalrous generally goes with male character. The which means courteous. The man is very courteous, polite, respectful, disciplined, and well mannered. Now I'll give some example sentences. You can say, Peter is so chivalrous that he helped Mary to carry her belongings to the station. Means Peter is very helpful, is so chivalrous, is respectful, helpful that he helped Mary to carry her luggages, belongings to the station. Then you can say, Rohan offered Annie some food during tiffin break as an act of chivalry. That he is courteous enough to offer Annie some food as an act of chivalry. The teacher advised her students to practice the act of chivalry. And what to say is, chivalry, it is not a sentence, it is, I am just describing the meaning, is an attribute of males. It generally describes a male attribute or a male behavior. Now I repeat the sentences. Peter is so chivalrous that he helped Mary to carry her belongings to the station. Rohan offered Annie some food during tiffin break as an act of chivalry. The teacher advised her students to practice the act of chivalry. I hope you understand the meaning of chivalry. Thank you for watching.